Guys, there is a question from neet 2026 from the chapter oscillation. It says that sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of a simple pendulum is 0.02 joule. The speed of the simple pendulum at equilibrium is asked. Okay, so we know that for a pendulum which is oscillating, the total energy is actually represented by potential energy plus kinetic energy. And just because it is mentioned that the bob is at the equilibrium position, we can say that the potential energy is nearly about zero. So the total energy which will be equals to kinetic energy, and total energy is given here 0.02 joule, and kinetic energy we can write down that half m v max square. So it will be v max square is equals to 0.02 into 2 by m, which is given 20 gram, and we have to convert it into kg. 20 into 10 to the power minus 3, right? And v max would be root over of all of this, 20 10 to the power minus 3. See, now what we can do, if we just take this as 2 by 100 into 2 20, and this 10 to the power minus 3 will be go on the numerator and become 10 to the power 3, right? And if we just divide it, it will be 10, right? So there will be a okay, all of this will be cancelled, and it will be root 2, and the answer will be 1.41 meter per second. So the first answer is correct. Thank you.